Right, so just now we already done the factors that will be affect the photosynthesis process, okay, which is the light intensity, carbon dioxide, and also the temperature. Okay, now we move on to the next one. Okay, limiting factors in photosynthesis. Okay, what is limiting factor? Okay, environmental factor in short supply that it restricts the life process. Okay, because it controls the rate of photosynthesis, as it is the factor that limits the photosynthesis process. Okay, let's see the example 1. Okay, during the winter, plants may not be able to undergo photosynthesis process, okay, even if there are sun, due to the cold temperature. So here you can say temperature becomes the limiting factor. Okay, another one here, example number 2. Okay, during the night, the presence of light is the limiting factor. Okay, so the three factors can limit the speed of photosynthesis, okay, which are the light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, and the temperature. Okay, let's see the sunlight, which is the light intensity. Okay, again, this is the graph. Okay, light energy is vital to the process of photosynthesis. Okay, it is severely limiting at times of partial light conditions. Okay, for example, like during dawn or dusk. Okay, as you know that as light intensity increase, the rate of photosynthesis will increase. Okay, until the plant is photosynthesizing as fast as it can. Okay, at this point, even if light becomes brighter, the plant cannot photosynthesize any faster. Okay, that's why it becomes constant. Okay, so over the first part of the curve between A and B, light is a limiting factor. The plant is limited in how fast it can photosynthesize because it does not have enough light. Okay, between B and C here, okay, light is not the limiting factor. Even if more light is shown on the plant, okay, shine, okay, it still cannot photosynthesize any faster. That's why it becomes constant. How about CO2, carbon dioxide? Okay, in photosynthesis, CO2 is the key limiting factor. Okay, as you know that the usual atmospheric level of CO2, okay, is 0.03% here. This one, okay, in our atmosphere. Normally, this is the value of CO2, okay, that can be provided to the plant. Okay, in perfect conditions of water availability, okay, light and temperature, this low CO2 levels holds back the photosynthetic potential. Okay, as you know that the more CO2 a plant is given, the faster it can photosynthesis up to a point, but then a maximum is reached. Okay, maximum is reached, which means it become constant. Okay, then we go to the last one, temperature. Okay, the chemical reactions of photosynthesis can only take place very slowly at low temperature. So a plant can photosynthesize faster on a warm day than a cold one. Okay, let's see this is the graph here. Okay, photosynthesis and temperature. Okay, limiting factors. Okay, how does temperature affect the rate of photosynthesis on this label graph? Okay, this is the graph, the red color. Okay, you look at the shape of the red color. Okay. Okay, x-axis will be temperature, here will be the rate of photosynthesis. Okay, let's see what is happening during the first curve, number 1. Okay, as you know that as temperature increases, so does the rate because photosynthetic enzyme work best in the warm. Okay, here the limiting factor is the temperature. So let's see the second one here, why it goes down here, why it going down suddenly. Okay, the most plant enzymes are destroyed at about 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, here the photosynthesis stops and the rate falls to 0. Okay, so what is the limiting factor? Okay, the limiting factor will be others. Okay, can be light or the carbon dioxide. Right? Okay, so that's the end for the today class. Okay, so thank you guys for listening and watching this video.